Hey, what's up? Back again for the second time this week because I got a couple more items in and I really want to get into these shoes. First off, if you're just finding out about this channel, I'm into, some hype stuff. Got different reviews. I was doing a daily vlog for a little while and yeah, subscribe. Help me spread. You can be into fashion, you can be into menswear, you can be into hype, whatever, culture, all that. You can still be a follower of the teachings of Jesus as well, hence the name Jesus Taco, right? So that's how it goes. Also, anybody out there, I am going to be doing a raffle once I get to 1,500 subscribers, which is going to be super soon. So make sure you DM me my Instagram account, Stephen Charles Long. Just send me a message with your name and your shipping address that you'd want the Supreme hat to be shipped to. I'm doing this winter hat. I know it's really warming up outside. I'm not wearing mine. I actually have two of these. This is my dead stock one that I'm going to be giving away. I got one for myself because I thought it was such a cool hat and I was wearing it like every single day, but now I'm just not wearing a hat very much because I don't need to. It's not like crazy cold. So anyways, yes, if I'm past 1,500 subscribers, that means the raffle is over. There's no need to enter. I've had quite a few people enter, so but your chances are still just as good as anybody's. I'm not going to do like multiple entries or anything like that, so yeah, get on that. Okay, so we got our receipt for this package here. There's your big Nike label on the box. Oh man, I gotta clean that stuff up. Here's the label. Anybody wanting to check the label for legitimacy on their pairs? I feel like labels are super easy to Photoshop. I'm an expert Photoshop person, so, well, maybe not expert. Let's not say expert. I'm pretty good at Photoshop. Yeah, this is super easy to duplicate, so it's not really the best thing to go off of. The box, the cardboard, whatever. If you're trying to decide if something's fake or not, it's going to be pretty tough to decide off of the packaging. You really want to get into the shoe itself. Wow, this thing is bold. I do like it though. It is a good bold. I like that Volt yellow kind of color. I think that's Volt yellow. And then they've got pink on the back. I guess some people might call it turbo red, but that is totally wrong. And yeah, this is so cool. This pair, I've wanted to get the 87s. I had a couple pairs of the 85s is out there. Anyways, I wore those last summer a bunch and they're super comfortable. I still wear them, randomly when I go out of the house for a minute. But, this is the pair. Well, not necessarily this colorway, but this pair is the one that, sparked my interest and was just cool. And last year everybody was going crazy about it and all that. It does have the cork insole, so that's something you want to be checking out if you're looking at legitimizing your pair. If you did get them from a reseller, it's got the tag on the insole, so I'll just zoom in on that for you guys. That's what a legit one looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep these dead stock and like hold on to them. I feel like maybe this colorway they're going to make a bunch more of, so maybe it's just fine if I just wear them, just unds them. They are extremely light, just crazy light. And one other cool thing about it that I didn't notice, this black print, the Nike swoosh, it's actually transparent. Just a little bit. You can't really tell that much, but it's definitely transparent. Yeah, let's just go over the shoe real quick, just do a little bit of a rundown. So first off, on the sneaker, you do have the Nike React cushioning system foam. This is all black foam, probably all the way through. I don't think it is painted. I have another pair with the black React sole, and yeah, it's black all the way through, so I wouldn't think this would be any different. You've got that icy blue grip on the bottom, and I guess the way this sole is set up, it's set up for like ultimate comfort to make your foot just flow well as you're walking, and I can definitely attest to that. It is super comfortable, crazy comfortable. So you have this ripstop transparent material all on the upper, pretty much, yep, all the way. You have this pink panel underneath that locks your heel in. You've got a piece of suede back here with a little swoosh that is a really thick print. Got a pull tab with 3M reflective material. Then on the front, See, you got that pink stitching. It almost looks orange against the yellow. You've got this light blue patch of leather here. Those are both milled leather. And then this is a piece of faux leather, probably a strong material to keep those laces in check. Got another piece of suede on both sides of these laces here. This piece actually runs all the way down. On this side it's just one solid piece on the side here. And yeah, that's some nice suede around the tongue. You also have a piece of faux suede, I guess, a soft material, kind of nice there. And the tongue made out of that same yellow ripstop material. Yeah, it gives that translucent look. Little Nike swoosh there. There's actually two little Nike swooshes like right next to each other. Little one on the sole, and then on the toe box, you got your big one on the side. It says a little Nike React here. And even this TPU piece here, this is translucent as well. Kind of a smoky gray, smoky black color-wise, but yeah. Think about that does it for going over the shoe. Now let's go ahead and we'll put it on feet, and you guys can tell me what you think of it. I think you could probably just go true to size with this pair. Really, they fit pretty nicely. This material on the upper does not stretch at all, but they put some extra on there, you know, for that purpose or because of that. So they should fit pretty nicely if you just go true to size. Maybe size down if shoes fit you a little big normally, because everybody's gonna see your toes and see that you're wearing a shoe that doesn't fit you. I mean, if you normally like extra toe room, I mean, maybe this just isn't the shoe for you, unless, I don't know. Maybe you're okay with it, maybe not. I would definitely say that if I would have sized down, I would not be satisfied, I would not be happy with that. So anyways, we're gonna get into the Supreme item for this week. I really wanted to feel the fabric. Had to take my bun out because, you know, I'm gonna be trying this on, and it's just gonna get in the way. This is from week 3, the collab with Stone Island, and we've got our Supreme bag. I really tried to go after a bunch of different stuff with this drop, and nothing was working for me. Basically, the app wouldn't load. I was first trying to go after that wolf jacket, the fleece, which I didn't know was crazy hyped as much as it was. But yeah, that was basically sold out by the time I got into the app. It let me in like a minute and a half after. So anyways, there's some box logos, and yeah, no free gift this week. But we do have this hat. It's just kind of cool because it's that new silk material that they were making those jackets out of. This hat has so many tags. Look at all these tags. This is crazy. It's got loads. So if you're legit checking, this is like a fabric. This one is like a paper, pretty much. So is that one. Well, maybe it's plastic actually. More or less, you got your Stone Island Supreme tag on the inside. You got your Stone Island branding there, Supreme up top, and then the Stone Island logo. This is definitely a really, really shiny hat. It looks wet all the time. That new silk material. I'm gonna see what it says it's made out of. So basically it's nylon. That's what it is. It's not actually silk. That loop. Oh, and there we go. We got it. We got the tag. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna throw this hat on. And oh geez, way too tight. What do you guys think about this material? It's pretty wonky. It's really thin, probably fairly breathable. I don't know. There we go. And there's the hat for you. I'm just gonna keep it dead stock for a little while and shelf it. If I want to wear it with something, or I have an idea of wearing it with some fit, whatever, I'll wear it. But until then, it's gonna stay dead stock and sit somewhere over here. I don't know, maybe by my Mars shoes. All right. Before I leave, I do want to throw a verse at you guys. I'm going to be reading from the YouVersion Bible app. It's just a cool app, totally free to use. I'm not endorsed by them at all, but I think it's a cool app. So I'm going to read Psalms 23:4. It's a good verse. It's just helped me in the last couple of days. Well, yesterday and today. It reads, "Even when I walk through the darkest valley, I will not be afraid, for you are close beside me. Your rod and your staff protect and comfort me." That is just a good verse. Like, God is always with us. He's always there beside us. In our darkest of times, we can feel like we're all alone. There's nobody around, but God is there for us. He's there to comfort us and just to strengthen us. If you can lean on Him in those times, that is an awesome thing to do. A lot of people don't think about it. They just bask in their depression, in their anxiety. If we can give those things over to God, which is a lot easier said than done, it's just going to help us to stay motivated and to get back on track with our lives, you know, to live on purpose. And I believe the highest purpose you can live for is helping other people, being encouragement to people around you, just the people that you can communicate with. You know, if there's nobody really around, well, start talking to people, start encouraging people that you maybe haven't ever talked to. It's going to be weird at first, but it's worth a shot just to share love and happiness with the world. So I'm out of here, guys. I'll see y'all next week for the next Supreme item we'll be reviewing. I was trying to get that chair. I just couldn't get the director's chair. I had it in my cart. The loading bar was like going, your purchase is being processed. Bam, sold out. So, spoiler alert, I'm not going to have the chair next week. But I did get a cool item, and I think you'll like it. I'm definitely stoked to check it out. So, see you guys on the flip.